Hey guys, I have another share for you. This is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I have another edition of Look What I Made for Paper Stash Smash. This was a really cute little project. I loved it, and I was working with the leftovers I had from this Button Farm kit that I had purchased a long time ago, and I remember showing all of the things in my video when I was talking about what I was going to use for the month of February to smash my paper stash. And when I was going through, I picked some Easter stuff, and I picked a couple other things too, because you can't just do all Easter, right? So I picked these papers, and then I thought, well, what am I going to make? Well, when I was looking around and kind of, like I like to do other people's tutorials every once in a while, because it does give me ideas, and it does kind of free my mind and clear it up, and I have fun with it. And there's so many awesome creators out there, you guys. I mean, there's so many awesome creators. I love making other people's tutorials. So this one is from Paper Moon Journals, and this was a Valentine mini journal that she did, and it's absolutely adorable. And so I decided to make it with this, and it's perfect. It's perfect. I love this. So she has a tutorial. I'll link it down below. This is just tied on, so I'll just take that off, and it keeps it closed. So you can see on the front, it's small. It's very small. Very teeny tiny. You could throw this in your purse and have a junk journal in your purse. It's 3 by 4.5. And on the front, I put some tags, some little bits of ephemera. Here's some chipboard. Here's a chipboard piece down here. A little bit of lace from my stash that I layered everything on top of, and then I put a little bit of ribbon there. It's stapled, closed. Here's what the back looks like. When you open it up, there's a little pocket here. And again, I used some of the stickers from this paper collection here. And then this little cute little ephemera piece, okay? And then I just created a tag with some pattern paper and then one of the chipboard pieces up at the top there. And then there's pages. And they're all different sizes. I added some stickers to some. I added some tabs from the collection. This is coffee dyed paper that I did and had in my stash. It only took one piece of copy paper to, make all of these cute little pages. She shows you exactly how to cut them out. And it just turned out really adorable. And when she did her video, she did a mass make. And I probably should have done that. I probably should have made more than one, because I just made one. These things are addictive. I mean, because they're so fast, they're so easy, they're so freeform. And it takes literally just bits and pieces and one piece of coffee dyed paper. Is that not the cutest thing in the world, or what? I mean, it's just adorable. So I can throw this in my purse and have like a little junk journal. If you're going on a day trip, this would be a perfect little thing to document your day trip. Don't you think? I love it. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. A very, very quick share. But it's really, really fun. So go check out Paper Moon Journals. Links down below. And check out our hashtag paperstashsmash playlist, because we have lots of things to share with you guys. There's lots of information, some how-tos, all kinds of stuff. You're going to love it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.